Welcome to your final chapter, chapter 16. In this chapter, we will talk about the statement of cash flows. We'll learn about the different sections on that statement. We'll cover the indirect method, and I'll show you how to prepare the operating section on the statement of cash flows. So we will cover these three topics together in the lecture videos. Go ahead and finish up chapter or topic 16.4 on your own. It's just brief reading on how to finish up the statement, and then we will not be covering topic 16.5. You'll cover that later in a more advanced accounting class. So just topic 16.1 to 16.4, and I will cover the first three with you as those are the more challenging pieces. All right, see you in the videos.